Okay, let's start with another action, the very last action, or it could be whatever action you want it to be. But this is the area where you would be putting notes or documentation or what have you, and you follow basically the same way of you doing actions. So in the action window, you would do a new action, name it whatever you want to name it. I name it notes, I think, on this one. And I pretty much want another group of layers that is going to hold my orientation markings and my impression identifiers, so my text, anything like that I want in this particular action. So going with the sequence, I add the action, I put in my shortcut if I do want to put a shortcut, and I like my F numbers, and this will be F5. So then the action can start. So if you want to do an action for a documentation area of layers that you can turn off and on, or seek out if you need to change a number, or if you spelled something wrong, or something like that, you can have a text layer here. And again, layers are your friend. It can be easily erased, technically not erased, but you can take the eyeball off and you can edit it, and you can do all the different things on layers without having to search out your history or anything else.